a 2016 Nissan Maxima. I have an existing prox key. You can hear it working. I'm going to be programming in an additional proximity key right here. You can hear it's not working. So let's give this a go. Hazard lights are on. Let's start. Maxima key coding 2016 Smart 1. Program key. Hazards are on. Okay. Once you see that status bar and you hear that tone, you're in programming mode. The machine has done its job. So what we'll do is we're going to press the start button here. It's going to blink by itself, and then you hold up the fob, and then the dash will turn on. Here we go. See, it's blinking. Hold it up. Dash turned on. Okay, now turn off with your finger. Next fob. Push in with your finger. Hold the fob up. Blinks 5 times. Push it off with your finger. Take the first fob again, push with your finger, hold it up. Lights out. As soon as you turn it off with your finger, it'll say key complete. And that's all it takes. You can turn the hazards off. Now our new fob locks and unlocks. We're good.